How's it going, my beardless brethren? Every time I do that, I think about how many neighbors just heard me yell that. It has been like literally a year since you've seen me. Last time you see me, I would venture to bet my hair was probably about half this long. It has been a very long time since you've seen me, and the weeping can now cease. For I return, your valiant bearded hero, and my trusty weapon, MINOXIDIL, and my arch nemesis, bad facial hair genes. Either this camera got heavier or I got weaker. Stop playing with the rug! My cat's lost a mouse under the rug. I have missed you guys so much. I have missed posting. My hair is longer, but my attention span is not. Thank you to each and every one of you who has subscribed, whether you wanted to learn how to grow a beard or you think I may be mildly entertaining. What did I say about the rug? I can't even begin to thank you guys for just sticking along with the ride. Leave the rug alone! It has been my greatest joy and probably my weirdest secret that I have been helping people grow their facial hair for 3 years. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you enjoy this content, please feel free to like, share, or subscribe. And now the purpose of the video. I like this wide-angle lens. It gives me character. Heaven knows I didn't have enough personality before. Can my eyes like go separate directions? What I've come here to tell you today, my beardless brethren, is that I am beginning my minoxidil journey all over again. Yes, from day one. What you see on my face, I could not grow when I began my first minoxidil journey. I've always felt like calling it a journey feels weird. If you prefer, you can call it your quest, your path, your adventure. I'm amazed that it can focus this close. I've been growing my facial hair out for about a month now, and as you can see, it's still patchy. I grew all of this after about 6 to 9 months of using minoxidil every day. But it's not perfect, and it's still a lot patchier than I would like. So I will be beginning once again by using minoxidil every day. I'm actually going to be using a combination of the Activator Beard Serum from Copenhagen Grooming and liquid minoxidil. I don't like the liquid, I prefer the foam, but for some reason I just feel like the liquid does work better. I'm probably contradicting a previous video and I might be crazy. I'm definitely crazy. But these two things are going to help me fill in my patches. If you are brand new to minoxidil, let me help explain it for you. Minoxidil is a hair growth drug that you typically put on your head to regrow head hair. But a bunch of crazies on the internet figured out you could put it on your face and actually grow facial hair. And it works. Obviously it works. I had 3 hairs on my face before I started, and now look at me. Handsome as all get out. Prince Charming at the ball. I look like Boog from Open Season. Booger. Booger. If anyone finds these videos, I will never be taken seriously as a professional. Minoxidil comes in several forms, liquid and also foam. Minoxidil can also be paired with derma rollers for best results. Everything depends with minoxidil. Your facial hair genes, your age, where you started, but typically, you'll start seeing results within 3 to 4 months. If you're starting from a baby face, you can watch my whole previous series where I started with 15 hairs on my face, and I ended up with this. But if you already have a little bit of facial hair like I do, then feel free to keep following along and see my progress as I fill in my patches. If you would like to buy minoxidil for yourself, a derma roller, or anything from Copenhagen Grooming, you can find all of those links down in my description. I will be posting every single week to keep you up to date with my minoxidil process. Leave a comment down below if there's anything specifically you'd like to see or know more about. Until next week, see you later.